This Amway home product demonstration will be performed by research scientist Doug Feenstra. The purpose of this demonstration is to show how Tri Zyme works to remove protein stains. First, pour 125 milliliters of cow's milk into each of the two 1-liter jars. Add 2 spoonfuls of distilled white vinegar to the milk in both jars. Allow the vinegar to sit in the milk for 1 minute. Do not shake or mix the solution. During the 1 minute, discuss how vinegar is acidic like a baby's stomach and how milk protein curdles when mixed with acid, creating visible solid chunks of protein. After 1 minute, add 500 milliliters of hot water to each jar. Now, add half a spoonful of SA8 Tri Zyme Stain Pre-Soak and Detergent Booster to one of the jars. Place the lids on both jars and shake them vigorously for about 45 seconds to a minute. Remove the lids and stretch the hosiery over the ends of both jars. Now dump the contents of the Tri Zyme treated milk either down a drain or into a large bowl. Notice that the milk in this treated jar moves freely and quickly out of the jar. Roll the hosiery up to show the inside of the toe. Next, dump the contents from the untreated jar and notice how the fluid will flow more slowly as the curdled milk collects inside the knee-high. If the liquid stops straining through altogether, take the bulging hosiery and slowly squeeze the remaining fluid out into the bowl or sink. Now roll this hosiery up to show the inside of the toe. The hosiery from the Tri Zyme treated jar is virtually residue-free, while the other hosiery toe is full of curdled milk protein. This demonstration shows how SA8 Tri Zyme Stain Pre-Soak and Detergent Booster powerfully removes tough protein stains.